Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on my channel. My name is Michael and this is the Bavarian Globetrotter here on YouTube. After about almost 1 month traveling in a camper van through Western Canada and Vancouver Island, we are right now back near my hometown of Battles at Munich International Airport, and today we are back into flying. Our trip today will take us down to Athens, the capital of Greece, and we are doing it in Aegean's business class, and we have a look how they are doing after COVID. So I'm pretty curious about this trip. I've flown Aegean business class once before from Zurich to Athens. If you haven't watched this video, just go back to my channel and search for the video Athens from Zurich in business class. Today I arrived early to Munich International Airport, and right now I'm on my way up to Terminal 2 where my Aegean flight to Athens will depart from. It is about 9 AM in the morning at the moment, and as you can see there is not much going on between the two terminals here in Munich International Airport. If you do not know this airport, we have got two terminals. It's Terminal 1 where pretty much all the international flights will go from. And there is Terminal 2, which is the Lufthansa terminal, where only Lufthansa and their partner airlines are departing from. And as Athens is in the same group as Lufthansa, we are departing today from Terminal 2. Our ride today will be on an Airbus A320 aircraft, and it will take approximately 2 hours and 45 minutes going down to Athens. And as you can see here, Terminal 2 is not as busy as Terminal 1 here in Munich. So I always like flying from Terminal 2 here, as it's very convenient and there is not much going on here. So if you have the chance, take a Lufthansa or partner airline flight from Munich, as Terminal 1 can be very crowded and crazy at some times. And we have been the lucky ones today that are not going from Terminal 2, but we're going from a satellite Terminal 2, and therefore we are using a short hop with a subway from Terminal 2, which will go under the runway, and we will reach the satellite terminal in about 35 minutes time. Well, you could also walk it, but using a train isn't that much more cool, eh? And right now we are going down the train, and after a short wait we took the first train arriving inbound from the satellite terminal and going back to it as well. And as you can see, the satellite terminal is quite nice as well. There is a lot of different food courts. You can buy everything you need there as well, so there's no need to buy it right at Terminal 2. But as we have about an hour and 30 minutes left until our time of boarding, we're heading towards the Lufthansa business class lounge right away. After enjoying the lounge here at Terminal 2, the satellite terminal of Munich International Airport, for quite a while, we are right now on our way down to our plane, and I'm looking forward to this ride, and I'm very curious how Aegean is operating the business class after the long break of COVID, where a lot of the business class products weren't as good as they used to be. So let's see how Aegean is doing on today's flight from Munich to Athens. We're already taxiing out towards the runway and we'll start our flight to Athens. So sit back, relax, enjoy the flight with Aegean. After climbing out of Munich, the crew brought around a hot towel to refresh us, and after this let's have a look around the cabin. The cabin of this Airbus A320NEO is looking quite new, and I really like the light features that are here on board. Well, it's just a standard seat here in European business class, but as you can see right here, it's quite comfy and you got a lot of legroom here on Aegean's business class. On this flight in business class, Aegean is offering free Wi-Fi, and then you can use the Inflight entertainment system through their Wi-Fi as well. Each seat comes as well with a power outlet where you can charge your phone on as well. Of course, you will have as well your tray table, and as well you have a little mount where you can mount your phone or your tablet on to watch the in-flight entertainment. And as it's common here in European business class, the middle seat at the 3 configuration is blocked off where you can store your snacks and drinks on as well. Before we start having a look into the onboard shop, I would just give you some information about the route today. We left Munich in a westbound direction, crossing the north of Munich city and making a hard left turn towards the Alps, crossing over Austria and northern Italy and following along the coast of Italy pretty much till the bottom, where we made another left turn, crossing over the Adriatic Sea into Greece. In the onboard shop, you will find everything you might need during your flight or your vacation, from perfumes to jewelry and as well toys, are all displayed in this onboard shop of Aegean. And now it is time to check out the food service here on board this Aegean Airbus A320NEO, and to be honest, there is a pretty huge selection of food and drinks on this short business class flight from Munich to Athens. To be honest, I think there is something for everybody on this flight. This is a great selection of food on this short hop from Munich to Athens. So Aegean, well done, a big thumbs up for you for this great service on this flight. And now, look for yourself what you think of the presentation they have done on this flight. To be honest, for a European business class flight, this looks so delicious, and of course it was so delicious, that I really just can thank you for this great experience here on board. This really stands out of a lot of other products I've flown in the past, so Aegean, you are really making it up to point and delivering a great service and make everybody feel welcome at the same time. And right after this dinner service, you had as well the option to take a coffee and some tea if you want to, and for me, of course, I chose a espresso for the remaining about an hour before we are landing into Athens International Airport. Dear ladies and gentlemen, as you might have noticed, we have started our descent into Athens, and the remaining flight time will be 30 minutes from now on. Weather in Athens is quite windy with a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius, and once again from the flight deck I want to say thank you for choosing Aegean today. I hope you had a great flight with us. We were very happy to have you on board, and right now our crew will get around the cabin and do the final operations for our descent into Athens, so please enjoy the rest of your flight with Aegean.
months to the membership months bonus program. On behalf of the commander, Mr. Sanders and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying on Aegean for the first time, and please return back at home, so goodbye and enjoy your stay. For those of you heading to another destination, we wish you a pleasant day.
Hello and Kalimera to Athens International Airport. We arrived here about 2 hours 45 minutes after our departure from Munich International Airport, and to be honest, this was a great experience on this Airbus A320NEO of Aegean in business class. The crew was outstanding and made every customer feel like he was very welcomed here and valued. And indeed, this service on Aegean is up to point and a great product in the skies. And I'm really looking forward to check out their economy class on an upcoming flight as well. But for right now, I just have to say thank you, Aegean, for this great service today on board. Kalimera to the island of Samos. How was my flight over with Aegean Airlines? It was quite a good experience, to be honest. The business class service was almost perfect, and there's nothing really to complain about. The only thing is sometimes the lack of information that you get after a flight, or if you want to have a question you asked for the customer service. This is quite a long-term thing, to be honest, but that's pretty much all. The flight was uneventful, like the best flights are, and this time we also tried a new meal here on Aegean Airlines, and we're looking forward to be on one of the flights again. Right now here in Samos, I'm enjoying a bit my time vacation, and afterwards we are going back to Athens using a very special airline I've never flown before, so stay tuned to the next video. Until this video from Samos Airport to Athens using Olympic Air will go live. So until the next time, just keep on exploring.